Yes, good morning, good afternoon. So today I'm gonna show you some life hacks concerning your jump starter Motomaster. All right? So let's take a look at it. Okay? Follow me. So excellent. So you have it here, your Motomaster jump starter and power bank. So usually you use it to jumpstart your car, your vehicle effectively. So, but I find now three hacks. So the first hack, you can use it as a flashlight. Okay, you can use it as a flashlight. I'm gonna show you. You just push on the power. Hold on. See, there's a flashlight coming in. And second of all, you could use it also as a disco light. So disco light. So good. So disco light, you're dancing, all that. Disco light, good. And second thing you can do with it, you can also charge your cell phone. Okay. So I show you the cell phone. So you can also charge your cell phone with it. So you plug it in. You plug in your cell phone. You can use it as a battery charger. You can charge your cell phone as well. Good. And the last but not least, you could use it as a brick, like the song from A Brick into the Wall. You know, the song, the famous songs, A Brick into the Wall. All right. So thank you. I hope it was helpful. And for you guys who don't know me, my name is Sotam City. It stands for Sotam the Cool Technician. All right. Thank you for your time and see you on the next Life Hacks. Peace out.